Today I'm going to show you a feature in Maintainly that makes staying organized with your tasks a lot easier: labels. Think of labels like sticky notes you can attach to tasks. They're great for marking things like different levels of priority, awaiting materials, on hold, various approvals, or even flagging whether a task needs a contractor. Maintainly already gives you some labels out of the box, so you can choose to keep those if you wish, but also add whatever labels might suit your workflow or your process. And that way, your labels actually match the way your team works. So let's jump in and take a look at labels. From the task list, we can see that labels are an excellent way of conveying important planning and operations details really quickly, and can sometimes help avoid the need to go into the task to check the status. Using the advanced filter, we can isolate a subset of data that we want to work with. For example, if we were looking for high priority tasks that were currently open, we could click the advanced filter and select the label high and then the task status of open if it wasn't already selected by default. There are two ways to add labels to tasks, both of which can also be used to remove labels from tasks. From the task list page, check the box next to the task that you'd like to modify. Click the Labels drop-down and select the labels to either be added or removed, and then click out of the drop-down. They can also be added from within the task. So once in the task, click the label icon, select the labels to add or remove, and then click out of the drop-down. Administrators can add or manage existing labels by heading to Tasks and then Labels in the left side menu. Click New Label. Try and keep the label title as short as possible. That'll make the interface more user-friendly, especially if you have multiple labels on a task. Our work in progress label, for example, is simply WIP. A longer description can be added to give guidance on when's best to use the label. And each label gets their own color. Our new label here is ready for the whole team to use. And that's how to add, manage, and use labels in Maintainly. Give them a try, and we'll see you next time.